Let's learn how to enable easy mute option. When receiving incoming calls and when ringing alarms, you can set your phone face down. After, we can easily mute them. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down and go to advanced features option. Go to motions and gestures option. You can enable this turn over to mute option. Now when you receiving incoming calls and when ringing alarms, you can turn your phone face down. After, they are mute automatically. I think this is very good feature to use your mobile easily. You can try this feature and let me know.